everybody. We're going to use properties of trigonomic functions to find exact values of each expression. For example, in this expression we have sine squared of 40 degrees plus cosine squared of 40 degrees. So you're going to use your Pythagorean identities that sine squared of theta plus cosine squared of theta equals 1. As long as my degrees are the same, that means this is just going to equal 1. So as long as these are the same, equals 1. Now for this one, we're going to use another Pythagorean identity that 1 plus tan squared of theta equals secant squared of theta. And I'm going to subtract tan from both sides. I get 1 equals secant squared of theta minus tan squared of theta. So this is our form, and since my angles are the same, this equals 1. And the next one, we have, again, our angles are the same. I know that cosecant is 1 over sine, because sine of theta equals y, and cosecant of theta equals 1 over y. So if sine is y, I can just change cosecant to 1 over sine, since y and sine equal each other. So basically, I'm just going to write this in terms of sine. So if sine of 80 degrees times 1 over sine of 80 degrees, and when you multiply that, you're going to get 1, because this will cancel. Okay, the next one is the same thing. I know that tan is y over x, and cotan is x over y. So you can do this one or two ways. You can say, well, because y is sine, this is sine of 10 degrees over cosine of 10 degrees times my x is cosine, so this will be cosine of 10 degrees over sine of 10 degrees. And that's going to equal 1, because these two will cancel. These two cancel. You get 1, 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Another way to do this is just write cotan as 1 over tan. So you could write tan of 10 degrees times 1 over tan degrees. That equals 1. Or you could write 1 over cotan of 10 degrees times cotan of 10 degrees. And that gives you 1 as well. Okay, the next one is this one. I'm gonna go ahead and write this as tan. Sine over cosine is tangent. So I'm just going to write tan of 40 degrees minus tan of 40 degrees using substitution. And that's going to equal 0. And the last one is this one. It's the same thing. I'm just going to write this as cotan, because cosine is your x and sine is your y. We know that equals cotan. So I'm going to write this as cotan of 20 minus cotan of 20, and that equals 0. And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.